Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name's Tim, making another video. It's been mainly about bike exhausts and building bike stuff. I have a Tirana that I still haven't got to, but I do some stupid things sometimes, and I did another stupid thing. The stupid thing number 384, I think we're up to. I bought a repairable ride-off from the auctions here locally. Why, do you ask? It was cheap. I couldn't just let it go. Yeah. Again, I just go, oh, why do I do this to myself? But you know what? It's actually not that bad. Well, I don't think so anyway. It's got a few scuffs and stuff like that, but I don't know, it's got good tyres. I don't know what that is. Some kind of, oh, I think it's that crappy plastic dip. Oh no. Oh, you're kidding. Oh. A little bit of damage on the rear tub. A little bit on the rear bar there. A few scratches. Oh, yeah. I really don't know why I do these sorts of things to myself, to be honest, but a very popular car worldwide though, but yeah, let's have a look. So the radiator support's actually not that bad. Well, I don't think so anyway. Yeah, I think that'll all pull out. I hope. Yeah, so why? I don't know. I don't know why I do these things to myself. I think I just like the thrill of winning something, especially at like auctions. It's just, just makes you feel good momentarily and then not feel good. But I see the potential, other people don't, but sometimes you just gotta give things a go. But yeah, I don't know, I might sell it when I'm done, I don't know. But yeah. What do you think, people? It's cool in black though. I mean, when it's all done, it'll look good. Just looks like a real piece of crap there at the moment though. I'm actually a panel beater by trade. Some people don't know that, but now you do, so. It's not that bad, you know. Maybe I'm just in denial, but I don't think it's that bad. Well, I'm gonna try and fix it anyway, and you know, I'll film some videos so you can see what I'm up to with it. It should make for some interesting footage though. But yeah, it's not that bad. It's really clean inside. So see how we go. Keep an eye out though. Should be like an interesting little build. So yeah. Stay tuned. Ah, why did I do this?